Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have 6 brand new Ford vehicles to open up from the 2018 Hot Wheels J-Case. Our first Ford is a brand new casting for 2018. It's the 2018 Ford Mustang GT in grabber blue with black striping. The next Mustang from the J-Case is the yellow 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Now the third Mustang from the J-Case is this purple custom 2015 Ford Mustang. On to one of my favorite cars. This is the brand new red color of the 2016 Ford GT Race. For the Ford trucks, we have the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics 2015 Ford F-150. And our final Ford vehicle from the 2018 J-Case is the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. So there we have the 6 awesome Ford vehicles from the 2018 Hot Wheels J-Case. Let me know in the comments below which of these cars or trucks is your favorite. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.